We live in a world defined by a moment, an essence, a capture. So living here in the most beautiful city in the world, arguably the mother city, Cape Town, with icons like that, the iconic Table Mountain, as well as so many incredible memories, sketches and landscapes when it comes to the ultimate master of photography. Join me now as we take a look at HUAWEI's Pura 80 Pro. We were just back there, Table Mountain. Now we're here, the iconic V&A waterfront, but encased in a frame denoting the coordinates to the mountain, because of course, where better to start capturing some memories than being at a distance. A look around the body shows its absolutely beautiful profiling. Also this glazed red color, I think you'll agree with me, it's so sharp, it simply pops, it looks fantastic. But it's also some of its key features. It's got a 6.8 inch display. Now it's pin sharp. This display uses OLED technology, but it's also LTPO, which means it's got variable refresh rates, bouncing from anywhere as low as 1 Hz to up to 120 Hz for that smooth popping image. With peak brightness of 3000 nits, even here in the strong African sun, you can see every pixel, every inch of the screen popping and coming to life. Now I love the rounded angles, the edges, it feels incredibly comfortable in the hand, and it's clutter-free. You've got a power button here, which also doubles as a fingerprint sensor, and a quick launch, which you can set up using EMUI. Over on the back, you see the camera bump. This is, of course, the star of the show, as well as pretty much a neat, comfortable, and slim body in the hand. The HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro is big on features. It's got HUAWEI's own octa-core Kirin 9029 chipset with 12 gigs of RAM, and that means it's extremely snappy. You can see when you open up folders or applications how everything pops and comes to life. It's fast, it performs incredibly well, and thanks to the 120 Hz panel, everything looks just brilliant on this display. It's edge to edge as well. What you also find is it's got exceptional battery performance. Even here on max brightness and using it to go and create memories and explore, with a 5120 milliamp hour battery, it will last you at least a day, maybe 2 days of performance, plus super fast charging. 100 watt wired and 80 watt wireless means that you'll be back up to full speed in no time. You also find that the HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro offers exceptional durability thanks to Kunlun 2 glass, which is up to 20 times tougher than that of the original first generation Kunlun glass, which was already exceptional, and it also offers IP68 and 69 dust and water rating resistance, which means this is a truly go anywhere tough device. The impressive refresh rates as well as eye-popping screen and Kirin performance mean that gaming is also very, very impressive. And using this display, everything simply comes to life. It gives you the full immersive experience. Where things of course come to life though, has to be enjoying some of the camera optics. And over on the back, you get a 50 megapixel arrangement. It's a 1-inch ultra lighting main sensor with f-stops as low as 1.6 to 4 aperture. Thanks to its 1-inch sensor, that lets in tons of light, and that's always the enemy with any photography, it's having the correct lighting. You also get a 40 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, f-stop 2.2, a 48 megapixel ultra lightning macro telephoto sensor with an f-stop of 2.1 and 4 times optical zoom, as well as the ultra chroma sensor for superior color optimization. Firstly, the AI detection picks up things like blue sky, buildings, and optimizes everything. The performance is exceptional, but it's also zooming here, 10 times optical zoom, and you can see zooming into a building how it loses simply no quality. In fact, we can even go 100 times zoom, and now you really get some seriously impressive results. With a bunch of pro modes, you can adjust the likes of ISO, aperture, white balance, EV. You can even see it varying and adapting on the back of the camera body. You also get a bunch of clever modes here and more, such as a super macro mode, a story creator mode, which is incredible for creating the perfect story with ease, as well as a bunch of other modes here, including document, photography, light painting, panorama, slow mode, time-lapse, a dual view, and even a multi-cam mode. Video is captured at 4K 60 frames for exceptional smoothness, as well as its built-in stabilization that makes it an absolute treat for a content creator like myself. When it comes to low light, well, that 1-inch sensor, it does it justice. This takes some of the best night photography I've seen, bar none, for any DSLR or by far and away any smartphone on the market. A special product needs a special unboxing location. We're here on top of the hustle and bustle above the city, and this is the retail packaging of the HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. Now, Huawei know a thing or two about this. It's neat, it's classy, it's premium. It's what you expect from them. But unboxing it, you're first greeted with the device on top. It looks stunning, and it sits here in a little tray on top of the box. But if we move this aside, what you're also getting here is a separate compartment. Now that's got a SIM pin ejection tool. Inside here, if we pull it out, you also get a quick start guide. But what you get more importantly, Huawei always seem to include a lot of accessories in the package, and that's something fantastic. So many smartphone makers just simply don't. Straight away, you open it, you get the clear case, molded and designed to fit your Pura 80 Pro, and you get a USB Type-C to C sync charge cable. Now that's great as well, but what no one's giving these days is a wall charge adapter. Well, Huawei include one, but not just any. This is hefty. We're talking Huawei's supercharge technology, because this device supports 100-watt wired fast charging as well as 80-watt wireless charging, and with USB Type-C and Type-A ports, it's incredible to see they include this in the box. And what it means is a powerful device like this lets you capture memories all day long, and it means you can really enjoy all its premium capabilities and its optics and really get the most out of your Huawei Pura 80 Pro. So, at the end of the day, the question, is this the ultimate master of photography, the ultimate camera phone? Is it a device you want to consider? Well, all things considered, the Huawei Pura 80 Pro is exceptional. From its gorgeous design to the cutting-edge performance, optics like I've never seen them. I've been lucky enough to spend time with all kinds of levels of phone, from the latest flagships to every other phone across the board. But I must say, Huawei always knock it out of the park. The Pura 80 Pro combines the perfect optics with brilliant internals and gorgeous styling. It all comes together incredibly well. Find out more using the links in the description below. Get your own Huawei Pura 80 Pro. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. This is now taking things to new heights.